Well, hi there and welcome to the ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for June 3rd, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionSource.net. Let's start off with a look at a weekly chart of the U.S. dollar index. Well, the dollar index continues to trend higher. However, after a test of 84, the index closed last week within our 82-83 resistance level. We are open to a pullback that could test support down at 81. A break back above 83 opens the window for a continuation higher. Let's take a look at the daily chart. The daily chart reflects a bearish reversal candle that was put in last Friday with a near-term support down at 82. Next up, the CDD, the U.S. versus the Canadian dollar. Well, the CDD hit our target zone at 104-105, which is an important resistance level. We suspect a pullback to test support at 102-103 this week. However, the trend remains to the upside. Next up, the YUK, the U.S. versus the Japanese yen. Well, the YUK continues to respect the downtrend with a break below 78. 78.79 now assumes the role of resistance. A break above 79 signals a break of the trend line and a potential move higher. Should the trend continue lower, 76.77 becomes the next downside support. Let's take a look at the EUI, the U.S. dollar versus the euro. Well, the EUI hit our target zone at 81.82 and closed last Friday with a bearish reversal candle. A break back above 81 opens the window for a continuation higher. 79.80 will act as support to a retracement lower. Let's take a look at the BPX, the U.S. versus the Great British Pound. Well, the BPX hit our 65.5 target zone as expected. 65, 65.5 is a key resistance level. We are open to a retracement lower to test support at 64.5 this week after such a significant move higher. Let's take a look at the AUX, the U.S. versus the Australian dollar. Well, the AUX traded into our upside target zone at 104-105 and reversed. 102-103 should act as a support level this week. Let's take a look at a few of our key points. First of all, the U.S. dollar index traded close to 84 and appears to be ready for a pullback. While the trend is strong to the upside, we are looking for a pullback this week. The CDD hit 104 as anticipated, and while the trend is strong to the upside, we are due to see a pullback that could test support at 103. The YOK is committed to the downside. We need to see a break and reversal above 79 to signal a change in trend. 76.77 is the next major support to a continuation lower. The EUI hit 81.82 but closed with a bearish reversal candle on Friday. This suggests the possibility of a pullback down to 79.80 as support. The BPX pushed through to hit our 65.5 target. We are open to a pullback to test 64, 64.5 as support this week. The AUX hit our 104 target last week. We suspect a pullback to 102 after such a significant move higher. And this has been your ISC FX Options Weekly Outlook for June 3rd, 2012. As always, this is Jason Ayers of OptionSource.net reminding you to sign up for your free online workshop at www.optionsource.net.